Ji Jong-hyuk is an actor from South Korea. His nicknames are Jimmy and Mino Mino. Jae date of birth is May 19, 1993. His age is 31 years. Jae birthplace is Seoul, South Korea. He was debuted in 2016. Jae's agency name is YNK Entertainment. Jae debuted in the second season of the MBC Everyone drama webtoon Hero Tundra show. Jae debuted in 2017 with the web dramas No Bad Days and Between Friends. Jae debuted in season 2 of the web series No Bad Days in 2018. Jae debuted as a baseball pitcher in the SBS hit sport drama Hot Stuff League in 2019 to 2020. He became well known to the public as a result of this drama since Hot Stuff League had a high audience rating for the duration of its run. Jae gained popularity when he appeared in the JTBC drama Sisyphus the Myth in April 2021 alongside Jo Seung-woo and Park Shin-hye. He co-starred with Song Kang and Han So-hee in the JTBC drama Nevertheless later in June. Jae performed in Love All Play and made a brief cameo in Shooting Stars in 2022. Jae played the lead role in Castaway Diva and Unlock My Boss in 2022 to 2023. Because of his education, Jae had lived in South Africa for 5 years. In a media interview in January 2023, Jae claimed he was not required to serve in the military. Jae's zodiac sign is Taurus. Jae religion is unknown. Jae height is 1.86 meter. His weight is unknown. Jae nationality is South Korean. Jae hair color is black. His eye color is dark brown. Jae Jong-hyuk Instagram account. He has 2.5 million followers on his Insta account. Jae is not dating anyone and currently single. His estimated net worth is $12 million. The rooster is his Chinese zodiac sign. The blood type of Jae is A. He received his degree from the fashion model department at Seoul Arts College. An INFP is Jae's MBTI type. His mother, father, and elder sister complete his family. After modeling, he went into acting. He made his runway debut for designer brand Kim Soryong Home in 2014, marking his fashion model debut. He continued to take part in fashion shows till 2016. For his part in Stuff League, he attended a baseball academy as he had no prior baseball experience. For his part in Stuff League, he put on 7 kilograms more weight. His similarity to actor Park Bo-gum earned him the title of Park Bo-gum of web drama world while he was performing in web dramas. During his middle school years, he spent a year living in Thailand. When he lived overseas, he went by the English name Jimmy. He spent some time modeling in South Africa. Jae Song-hwa is the name of his elder sister. His two favorite foods are pizza and kimbap. Sweet potato pizza is his favorite type of pizza. The tuna kimbap is his favorite. Walking and listening to music is one of his hobbies. His arm is one of his most confident body parts. When asked what he would do if he didn't want to be an actor, he said that he would be a novelist. He is a skilled swimmer. In a 2020 interview, he stated that his favorite song was Closer by J.P. Cooper. His mother gave him a ring just before he left Seoul to study overseas, and it is the object he treasures the most. He does not have a particular food preference. He despises the summer and loves the winter. In his opinion, he appears more attractive in person than on film. He is a beach person, not a mountain man. He wears 270 mm shoes. The size of his shirt is 105. Someone who gets along well with him and can hold a meaningful discussion is his ideal kind. He mentioned being a quiet kid. He normally works out at the gym in his spare time. Jae is not a spicy food eater. He wants to give acting roles in romantic comedies and historical dramas a shot. Seaweed bukak is one of his favorite snacks. Subscribe for more videos.